How to do margin trading on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to do margin trading on Binance. In order to do the margin trading on Binance, you have to follow the steps. First of all, go and log in into your Binance account and make sure that your account is verified. And next, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and press on the icon from the home page. So here you need to go ahead and press the logo from the top left hand side corner, more options, and here you need to go ahead and select margin trading. You could also use the search bar feature, and when you locate margin trading or margins, you have to press on it, and then you need to go ahead and press on the learn more button in order to get more information about it. So after you've done that, you need to go ahead and read all of these terms and conditions. So it's very simple. All you have to do is make sure that you have enough funds and that your account is verified. So first thing, go ahead and select whether you wish to buy and sell. So select that and then select the limit, your price, amount, and then the asset, all of that, and confirm the transaction, and you'll have successfully done margin trading on Binance. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.